Hello guys and welcome to a very quick notice for all of those who haven't been paying attention. The Unreal Engine Marketplace is no more. We are now using what's called Fab. I don't know if they called it Fab for Fabricate or just because they want to make themselves look absolutely fabulous. I have no idea. However, I want to talk about the free content because we used to get Unreal Engine Marketplace free content every month, which is perfectly fine. And that is still happening. But there is a little twist. So if you come to the Fab website, which you can do by just clicking that Start Exploring button, I just had this preloaded. Don't forget to log in. You can claim all the Quixel Megalscan stuff for free. It is worth doing that before the end of the year, because then all Quixel Megalscan stuff is no longer going to be free. It's going to be pay. So if you get it now, you get it completely free forever, as long as your account exists, and as long as Fab exists, because who knows, Fab could be replaced. As for the free marketplace content, you have this limited time free stuff, which you can just click on. I'm just going to open this in a new tab, and it will show you all the free stuff. The downside is it used to be just the first Tuesday of every month, which worked like a clock, no problem. But now it's the first Tuesday and the third Tuesday. As you see, it's the 19th. For those in the UK, it's not the 11th or the 19th. There's no 19 months. So yeah, it is the third Tuesday as well, which means you only have a couple of weeks to claim the free content before they switch it out for something new. It does mean we get more content more frequently, but we get less content overall. And this is pretty simple just to claim. You just come over here and you'll have an add to your library. You click add, you click accept on the terms and conditions. Feel free to use them, but you get all the details for what formats this is acceptable for. They are planning on adding more than just Unity. I think they are planning to do a lot more. But yeah, that is where you go for it now. It is more frequent, so keep an eye. Obviously, you get all the Quixel stuff here. I already have all the Quixel stuff, so all this mine stuff thingied. But yeah, they've conveniently added a button. I did it the hard way and did the script way, and then they added this anyway, so yeah, whatever. No problem. But yeah, featured free content they'll have here, which you can explore, and then that takes you to this limited time free content. I just thought I'd run a little update just so you know where things are and where things have moved to. Me, I have an awful lot of the free content over the years, and I'm still collecting. So marvelous. Well, that's going to be it for this video, and I hope this helps somebody. Bye for now. Bye bye.